Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. We're going to show you a shift edit button. Alright, let's get into it. First thing first, when you select this one, you can see this one, shift editing. Okay, once you press this, okay, you can edit your wall, okay, and your style of wall you like. Alright, so for example, I press this one what called press add point. Let's say I put it down here, okay, I can edit the wall, the shape if I want. Okay, so let's say I select here, select here, I press this add button. Then as you can go to 3D mode, you can see it will change the shape of your preference. Alright. Then there's regular and draw. Okay. Anything draw with circle will fail. Okay. So you can draw a triangle here like this, but you can't draw in arc. Okay. So what does this rectangle or draw means like? Alright, let's say example I draw a star. Then I draw a circle also. Circle. So just left click only, alright, or rectangle. Left click, left click. Alright. So when you select this one, right, as you can see this one, you can budge or you can make it a hole. Alright. So like let's say 100 m. Okay. So I put it as 0. Okay. So we put it like that right now. So my wall is this is 150, right? So maybe I put 200. Still come out here right now. Okay. So make it same 200. Okay. So when you press complete, when you press room, for this it's not affected right now because here got the wall I did not open. But you can see here, I put 200, 200, 200, it make a hole here. Okay, you can see it through. Okay, so display wall, show wall, okay, there's a hole. Okay, so this is shape editing. Alright, hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, bye.